Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the Debrid service. Do it now so downloads flow immediately. Enter your API key and select the account with the correct limits because quotas affect speed and availability. Once done, pick the download folder and enable automatic metadata so items sort correctly. Make sure to authorize network access and wake the host device. Without that, the manager cannot grab links. This quick setup makes the rest predictable and keeps errors down as you proceed. You add links and decide priorities. Drag a magnet, paste a torrent, or use the browser button so sources queue fast. Then configure bandwidth caps and concurrent download counts to prevent saturating your network. This ensures playback and other services remain snappy. Apply post-processing rules like rename patterns and destination folders so files land where you expect. Once queued, watch link health and let the manager reattempt failed pieces automatically while you finalize by confirming each completed download and running post-process steps that tidy file names and update your library. Do this immediately so players see new content. If a download fails, clear the link cache and remove stale entries. Sometimes rotating the API key restores access. Make sure to inspect the manager logs for error codes. If problems persist, restart the service and retry with a small, known good 100 MB file to isolate network versus service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.